Hi guys, I hope you all are doing good, and in today's video I want to be sharing my hair curling routine with you all. It is not going to take beyond 5 minutes, so let's quickly dive in. So the first thing I do is I clean my scalp, and for that I'll be using a sulfate free shampoo. Shampoo helps in cleansing the dirt, grime, oil and the bacteria you have in your scalp, and I use shampoo in my scalp like just twice a week, not beyond that. After that, you need to use a good conditioner because conditioner helps in moisturizing the hair, and it also helps in adding the nutrients to support your stand. It helps in making your hair feel smoother, and it also helps in making it softer. So yes, I make sure that I never skip this step. Also, here is a little tip that I want to give you, that you just need to apply the conditioner on the lengths of your hair. We do not apply the conditioner in our scalp, and when the hair is wet it is in the most fragile state, so you need to be very careful how you wash it. Do not be harsh with the hair, otherwise it is going to lead to breakage. So yes, when you pat it dry guys, do not be harsh again. It can cause cuticle damage and it can really damage the hair strands. Now let's move on to styling the hair guys, and these days I am using this BBlunt Hot Shot Heat Protectant Mist, and what it does is it helps in preparing the hair, and it also helps in shielding the hair from heat up to 230 degrees Celsius. I love this product because it has these amazing ingredients like provitamin B5, which is a humectant that helps in attracting the water from air and use it to improve hair luster. It helps in making your hair bouncier. It has grapeseed oil guys, which is again a natural heat protectant. It has high smoke point, so it is gonna protect your hair from harmful heat. You can use my code BEAUTY20 on BBlunt.com. You're gonna get extra 20% off, and the products are also available on Amazon, Flipkart and Nykaa. Also, BBlunt is a premier hair care and styling brand which is synonymous with cutting edge hairstyling and hair care, and it also stands for its uniqueness and individuality. That is the reason I absolutely love this brand. So once I let my hair air dry, I spritz this all over my hair, and I usually do it if I'm using any kind of heat on my hair. I love how this product smell. I cannot emphasize more how beautiful fragrance this product has. It is going to be a travel friendly product. This product just not helps in protecting the hair from heat, it also helps in protecting it against harmful UVA and UVB rays. It helps in detangling your hair and making your hair frizz free. So once I get done, let's get in the process of curling the hair. So take all your hair and tie it in the ponytail, and I usually section my hair in 6 sections while I'm doing it. It depends upon the density of hair. Usually 4 or 6 section is gonna be enough for you. If you do not section your hair guys, I cannot guarantee that you're gonna end up having those perfect curls. Now, once you wrap the hair in the ponytail, section your hair, take each section and start curling it on the tongue. Now, I count till 10, I do not go beyond it. So, counting till 10 is gonna help, and you are gonna have those perfect curls. Now, I have taken the more wider tongue here. If you want, you can take those like mini ones, but I just want them to look very natural and beautiful. Yes, you can even use the process of curling the hair overnight using a natural method like braiding your hair, or there are so many things which are available in the market that you can put in your hair and wake up with them. But I believe when you use the heat on the hair, maybe I'm not worried about it harming the hair because I have used this hot shot. It smells amazing, it makes my hair feel amazing, and it is also gonna protect my hair. So today the heat I am using is at 180 degrees Celsius. So I'm not worried about the damage, but this really helps in making the hair feel beautiful. So take each section. It is not going to take beyond 5 minutes if you are pro at it. Otherwise, it might take like 7 to 8 minutes. But this process is going to be a lot more easier when you put it in a ponytail and do it like this. It is not going to take much of time, and the results are going to be beautiful. And that is the reason I put the clips in the beginning of the video, because while you do the process guys, you're not expecting it to look stunning, but in the end you will be able to see the results because this is such an effective method and it is going to be worth it. So do not let it in your hair beyond 10 seconds. It is really going to be enough, and I do it section by section and count till 10. That is going to be effective again. Now, guys, I am almost done here. I'm on the last strand, and this did not take like even 5 minutes for me. So, yes, I'm almost done. And whenever you want to style your hair, you can go for this method. And here I am going to be showing you the results. And wow, I loved how my hair looked, guys. This is such a cool hairstyle which you can do within 5 minutes. You can make a braid, ponytail, anything you want to go for, but I just love them like this. These loose curl look stunning. It goes on with everything, and I love my how my hair smells. So make sure that you try out this product. The link is gonna be in the description box below. I really hope that you liked my hairstyling video which I did for the first time. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys super soon.